I have opened in ChatGPT a brand new chat. No information is shared for the moment in this chat. And I'm asking ChatGPT to schedule one of my projects. And you see, it is really doing the schedule. So after this, what I do is that I even ask ChatGPT to set me the schedule in a table format, and I will export and import it into MS Project. So what is here so wonderful is that I didn't give to ChatGPT any information about the project into the chat, and for this it's using the feature which are the memories. Many people are saying that memories is a game changer for them. It's Christian from Vision 6D. I use my expertise in project management and AI to level up your skills. Memories are elements or descriptions that can be shared among all the chats that you are going to open since you created the memories. Memories don't have to be mixed up with instructions. Instructions are more like commands you are giving to ChatGPT. Memories is a complete description of a given context. And ChatGPT is going to enrich that context whenever you are working with it.